Hey there, and welcome to this Flutter tutorial series where I'll be walking you through how to build a shopping cart management system using Flutter, GetX, and SQLite. In this video, we'll be checking out the core screens you'll be working on. Here's the product list screen. This is where users will see all available products. Next, we've got the product details screen. And finally, the cart screen. Now, let's dive into Android Studio. We've got the whole project set up and running on an iOS simulator. In this project, we're using GetX for state management and hero animation for smooth transitions between screens. We're also using SQLite for local database management, so the cart data is saved even if you close the app. Here's how it works. You select a product from the list, and when you add it to the cart, it shows up right here. If you try to add the same product again, it won't duplicate. You can also remove any product with a simple tap. And once you're done, you can proceed to checkout to complete your order. In the next videos, we'll go deeper into how to build each part of this project. So if you're ready to learn more, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications.